There's a Wendy's. Where do you want me, bitch? I'm still thinking about my subway.
He asked to see my feet, which was unpleasant.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
So here we go. Are you ready? We started out our morning doing really well. Forgot the book that we needed for the book signing.
Both of them.
Yes. So we went to Barnes & Noble, bought a copy of the book that I already owned 2 copies of, called the subway. Made it to the hotel where the signing was 5 minutes before the signing.
Travel Queens.
Now we're on our way to Boston, from New York City to Boston in one day.
We're really travelers. We'll get there at 11:39 when it's currently 9:10.
We are on our way to the Boston Commons Garage to stay with my lovely best friend, Madison Shaw.
Your other best friend.
Well, true, but she's been my best friend.
Yep, yeah, but like it's fine. The other one.
We just left Boston. We ended up staying for 2 nights. And now we're on our way to good old Canada. Not currently, but have that second job. And so,
But things are okay now.
they're moving.
Do you have anything else to say? Clouds look good today. Don't we zoom in on those for you?
Selling pockets with the leak and trying to get this off and by the
Come on. Yes, bitch! Everything is okay.
They say I got the anger problem, I got the thinking problem. I try to solve it often, but not the motivation.
Bonjour.
We made it across the border. Barely.
Yeah.
They took our pepper spray. Apparently it's not legal in Canada.
I had to get it destroyed immediately.
That's signed paperwork for the
You're not in your right lane.
I was trying to figure out if it's lane or not because there's a line of border patrol.
Oh, uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Very uncomfortable. Everything was like, her side was that side, my side was this side, and we just kind of throw shit on top. But it definitely wasn't this bad. And also my skateboard almost hit him in the face. So hell yeah. So he definitely thought that we were hiding people in our car. So that's really fun and great and fun. Very fresh. And I bought a jewel and provided our Airbnb has cats tonight.
Oh, I'm so excited. I forgot and now I'm very excited again.
Yeah.
Like I'm super tired. Like I'm not even, here's the thing, I'm not tired.
You're never tired.
True. But like my body hurts. from
Mine
sitting
too.
For so long,
We
which sounds weak as fuck, but it's just like I've been sitting for so many hours that like I need to do something other than that.
I'm gonna be cranky the entire way there, just so you know. Okay, but I'm not gonna be happy about it.
Okay, well you know I'm not happy about a lot of things in life, but I'm still here.
Hello, Gremlin.
Yeah, pretty much.
Can I ask you why you brought a whole thing of jelly with us? Or jam? If it's a gay club, is it just anyone that's not straight?
From we're on our way to our second Airbnb. Really living it up, you know.
Gary. Yep, Gary's way.
Absolutely. We're gonna get ready for dinner because we both need to be doused and waterboarded.
Curb stomped. Hi, welcome to Chili's. I love it when you call me Big Gremlin. I love it when you call me Big Gremlin. Put your hands in the air if you're feeling tonight. Why you so tall, baby? I love it when you call me Big Gremlin.
And the problem could be possibly me. I earned my doctorate in knocking daddy's girls to their knees. I guess I'm just another American embarrassment with a freak bitch giggling, trying to tongue twist the cherry stem. B.O.B. is cool, but Doc and Venus.
We saw 2 baby raccoons. They look like babies in a tree, and then they came down and said hello, and now they're over there being fed cardboard by strangers.
General reaction whenever the doctor's talking at the crew house party. Standing round feeling awkward. We just posted on the wall. Forever the underdogs.
Hold me home. What are we doing?
We're on our way to our last Airbnb. So excited. We can actually move all of our stuff in.
Keep lit.
Not live out of this car.
True. We have wine in there and bread.
Yeah, we do.
Do you like when I carry you? Yep. And then we went to some thrift stores. Couldn't figure out how to open a door for one. Really fun.
Keep the script about the table, they gon' try to spoil it. Used to roll them zigzags, now I just spoil it. Do this so my mama never had to wash them toilets. Life is full of bullshit, you should press record then.
This was $1. This was $1. This, very expensive. It was $1. These, $1.
I heard you bitchin'. I ain't done yet. I didn't mean to. I wasn't drinking. But I talked to your ex. that said that you've been a
Hello. We are on our way.
Yeah. We are crossing the border in 5.2 miles.
I am nervous. I'm hoping that we don't experience what we did last time.
Footlongs, please. Can I get 3 footlongs? Oh my god, can I get 4 footlongs?
I got 5
For $5. I'm a filmmaker. Okay, anything else you'd like to say?
I hope we make it out of this state sometime soon.
I know.
Really will.